Welcome to Daily English Talk. Hello, my dear friends. I'm so happy to see you today. In this lesson, we'll learn English through a lovely story. Cooking with Anna. You'll hear slow and clear English, spoken with warmth and natural rhythm. You can listen, repeat, and remember the words easily. If you want to practice speaking, repeat after Anna. If you want to practice listening, just relax and enjoy the story. Now, take a deep breath. Are you ready? Let's join Anna in her cooking class.
Hey, Jack, I need your help.
Sure, what's up?
I just signed up for a cooking school.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, but there's one problem.
What is it?
The class is in English.
I see.
I'm afraid I won't understand the kitchen phrases.
That makes sense. Kitchen English is super useful, though.
Can you teach me a bit?
Of course, let's practice together.
How do we start?
Today, we'll cook 3 meals, just like in a cooking class: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Perfect. Let's add a small tea time, too.
Great idea. That's enough for practice. While we cook, I'll speak slowly and clearly so everyone can follow.
Nice plan. Oh, wait.
What?
Don't forget to say, please like and subscribe.
Right. Okay, let's start with breakfast.
Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Anna. Ready for today's cooking lesson?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, step by step, okay? Let's start with something simple.
Okay,
First, wash the vegetables.
wash the vegetables. Does that mean clean them with water?
Exactly. Wash until they're clean, like this, under the top.
Got it. Wash carefully. Okay, veggies are clean.
Great. Next, boil the eggs.
Boil the eggs means cook them in hot water, right?
Correct. Put them in boiling water, carefully.
How long do we boil them?
About 10 minutes.
Okay,
While we wait, let's toast the bread.
put the slices in the toaster.
Yes, and wait until they're golden brown.
I love the smell of toasted bread.
Me too. It makes the kitchen feel cozy.
Now pour the milk.
Right. Pour the milk into the glass, slowly.
Done. No spills.
Well done.
The eggs are ready.
Careful, they're hot. Put them on the plate.
All set.
Breakfast is ready, and you've learned 4 new phrases. Wash the vegetables, boil the eggs, toast the bread, pour the milk.
Easy to remember.
Ready for lunch?
Of course. What are we making today?
Fried chicken and vegetable soup.
Sounds delicious.
First, chop the onions.
Chop means cut into small pieces, right?
Exactly, like this. Watch your fingers.
The onions make me cry.
That's normal. Just chop slowly.
Done.
Nice. Now fry the chicken.
Add oil to the pan first.
Yes, then fry the chicken until golden.
It's sizzling.
That's the sound of cooking.
What's next?
Add some salt.
How much?
Just a little. Sprinkle like this.
Got it.
Salt makes the food tastier. Now stir the soup.
Stir slowly, right?
Exactly.
Smells amazing.
That's the magic of cooking. Today you learned chop the onions, fry the chicken, add some salt, stir the soup. And we've just made a wonderful lunch.
Thanks, Chef Jack.
You're welcome, Assistant Chef Anna. Now let's set the table.
Set the table means put the plates and forks, right?
Yes, and also the glasses and spoons.
I'll bring the plates.
I'll get the glasses.
All done. Now scoop the rice.
1 scoop each.
Even portions. Pass me the salt, please.
Wait, that's sugar. Here's the salt.
Oops.
No worries, everything's ready.
Looks so good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. This is my favorite part. Eating.
Same here, but the best part is cooking it yourself. Time for dessert?
Of course. Are we baking a cake?
Yep, a simple one.
This will be my first cake ever.
First, mix the batter.
Mix means stir everything together, right?
Yes, flour, eggs, sugar, mix until smooth.
Mix. Oops, some flour just flew out.
No worries, just slow down.
Okay, now it's smooth.
Great. Next, preheat the oven.
Turn it on to 180 degrees?
Exactly. That's preheat the oven.
Got it. What's next?
Bake the cake. Put the pan in and bake for 30 minutes.
Smells amazing.
That's the best part of baking.
Is it done yet?
Take it out carefully. Beautiful, golden brown.
Can we eat it now?
Not yet. Let it cool first.
So hard. I want to eat it now.
Just a few minutes more.
Today I learned mix the batter, preheat the oven, bake the cake, let it cool. And I baked my first cake ever.
Dinner time, a full day of cooking.
What's for dinner?
Grilled fish with special sauce.
Sounds delicious.
First, wash the fish, like we washed the vegetables.
It's slippery.
That's okay. Hold it firmly.
What's next?
Chop the garlic, like chopping onions at lunch.
I'm faster now.
Nice. Now grill the fish on high heat.
I love that sizzling sound.
Perfect. Flip it once to cook evenly.
Smells so good.
While we wait, stir the sauce.
Slowly, like the soup?
Exactly. Now taste the sauce.
A bit bland. I'll add some salt.
Perfect. The fish is ready, golden and crispy.
Today I learned grill the fish, taste the sauce, wash the dishes, wipe the counter, turn off the stove.
Dinner was amazing, Anna.
Totally. Now let's clean up.
The hardest part. Let's wash the dishes.
Use water and soap, scrub until shiny.
Right. Careful not to break the glasses.
Don't worry, I'm gentle.
Done. Now wipe the counter.
Move the cloth back and forth, spotless.
Perfect. The kitchen's shiny again.
Don't forget to turn off the stove.
Oh, it's still on. Okay, now it's off. Safety first.
We worked great as a team today. 3 meals and dessert. Let's see if I remember everything. Wash the vegetables, boil the eggs, toast the bread, pour the milk, chop the onions, fry the chicken, add some salt, stir the soup, set the table, scoop the rice, pass the salt, enjoy the meal. Mix the batter, preheat the oven, bake the cake, let it cool. Grill the fish, taste the sauce, wash the dishes, wipe the counter, turn off the stove.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
Thanks to you, now I'm ready for cooking class and ready to cook in English.
That's the best part. So, which phrase was most useful for you? Leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Exactly. Oh, wait. Should I try another bite of that cake?
Hey, I said let it cool first.
Too late. It's delicious.
See you next time.